Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by specifying exactly what you mean by I am cat, because precision saves time. Once done, pick the search tools you will use: desktop search, grep, browser search, or site-specific finds. Make sure to limit the scope to local drives, cloud folders, or particular websites. Start a quick index search while you prepare command line queries. This parallel approach finds common matches fast and ensures you don't miss less obvious locations. You now run targeted queries. Use quoted phrase search and include case-insensitive flags because small variations matter. For text stores, run grep or ACK across directories. For large systems, use desktop indexers or Spotlight. Make sure to inspect file names and metadata. Timestamps, authors, and edit history often reveal origin. Once you get hits, open each file in a safe viewer and confirm context. This tells you whether the occurrence is meaningful. You finish by validating any matches and recording where they came from. Check owner, creation date, and surrounding content so you understand why the phrase appears. Once verified, save copies with provenance notes for future reference. If you find nothing, widen your search to archived backups, email exports, or older versions and try different spellings or language variants. If searches still fail, clear index caches and rebuild indices, then rerun the focused queries as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.